So what's up YouTube, it's Raina and I'm back with another video. And in this video y'all are going to be watching me get ready for my Sunday shenanigans. A regular old Sunday, you know, just watch me get ready. So I'm first starting off cleaning up my eyebrows a little bit. I don't get my eyebrows done and probably can tell, but I try to do my best with cleaning them up. But anyways, I'm now using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, Anastasia Beverly ABH Brow Freeze. I use that first to tame my brows and get them in the placement that I want them, and then I start filling them in. So to fill in my eyebrows, I like to use the Fenty Beauty brow pencil in black brown, if I'm not mistaken. Everything that I'm using will be in the description box below. To clean up my eyebrows, I like to use the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 390. Now we're starting off with the face, and to prime, I like to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Now to color correct these ashy gray tones that I was naturally born with, you know, I'm using the LA Girl concealer in Orange Corrector. Now to highlight before I do my foundation, I like to do that now. If y'all want to update it like foundation routine or base routine, just let me know. I like to use the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 345. Hourglass stick foundation in the shade Golden Almond. If you struggle with texture, I feel like this is the foundation for you. It just looks so good and smooth. Now to set all of my highlighted areas, I'm gonna go in with the Beauty powder in the shade Kunafa. Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and I'm using like the orangest shade in that palette. It's called Orange, and I'm just pretty much using it as bronzer as well. Now I'm going in with the contour colors in that palette and just going around the perimeter of my head. To do a little bit of cleanup, I'm going back in with that Huda Beauty powder in the shade Kunafa and just going around my contour. Now I'm going in with highlighter, and might I add, it didn't even look like I need highlighter, but I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in that glow. To give the face its final touches, I'm going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mix. Now we're moving on to lips. So first I'm going to be placing the Wet n Wild brown pencil all around my lips. Then I place the Colourpop lipstick and Quickie in the center. It's mascara time, so now I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black. And to finish off the lips, I'm going to be going in with the Makeup by Mario lip gloss. It's in the shade Golden Nude. So now we're moving on to hair, and now I'm going to be getting my hair really damp. Now to add and seal in the moisture, I'm going in with the TGIM Verticream, the Daily Moisturizer. And it just helps my curls pop even more. I highly recommend this. Now really to lock everything in and set and define a little bit more, I'm going in with the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Foaming Mousse. Now to jazz these edges up a little bit, I also like to use the foam. But we are all done, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Everything that I use will be listed in the description box. Yes, a girl is ready to take on her Sunday. She's cute. Alright. Follow me on my socials. They will be in the description box as well. And I will see y'all on my next video. Bye.